can manage or set up static IP in our billing system, and how we can add static IP customers. So the first thing, we come to the MikroTik and we have to configure the static IP. In this case, remember that everybody has their own type of settings for the static IP, but mine is just simple. I'm going to show you. So the first thing, I come to IP, then firewall, then to filter rule. Then on the new filter rule, I will come here and put the address list allowed IPs like that, and then it will just be accept. Then I'll click apply. This is to give internet access to every IP address which has been allowed to access the IP address. Then the next thing, I'll come to the IP address list and define our IP address. So I'll define the port. So here I will come and use 192.40 .40.2.1, then /24, like that. Once I add that IP, I'll now come here to the source address list and put 192.40.2.0/24, just like that. I'll come to action and drop it. You just have to follow that order. The first one is accept, the second one is to drop, just like that. And then on the next thing, you can see we have just any IP which will be 192.1.40.2. It will be dropped automatically unless it is inside allowed IPs. So after that one, we will come now to our system. We come to networks, static IP blocks, and add new block. On this one, we'll just come and add 192.40.2.1. Our prefix, we have different types of the prefix, so but our prefix was 24, so we'll just have to select 24. Now the IP block has been saved, just like that. You can see the prefix length is 24, no used IP address. Now after that, we are going to come to internet static IP plans, and then we'll click add static IP plan. Then on this plan, we can call it test static, duration 1 month, 10 Mbps download and upload. The burst, we can make it 20. That's for the burst speed. The burst time, we can make it maybe 5 seconds. The price, we can say it's just 1,500 shillings. You can see the plan has been added successfully. Very quick. The next thing, we come to static IP customer and add new static IP. Now in this account number, we are going to generate a new one and the password the same. Also on the phone number, we can add a test user, just like that. And here we can add maybe that the customer number. On the router now, we have to select our router, which is the test router. We come to the connection type. In this case, we are doing static. We'll see our network address, which is 192.40.2.1, just like that. On the address list, we'll see all the list of unused IP address, so we'll just select that one. The internet plan is static, and then we shall leave the other ones blank, since I'm now showing you on the static IP only. So after you click create a client, the client has been created. with this IP address. So in the customer's router, you will just go and use this IP address. You see, and then you can see the package price. It say 1500, speed, upload speed, the expiry date, the registration date. Yeah, so that is how we configure static IP. You are welcome for the next lesson.